These are the elevators at Physician or Physical Office Building 1 at Forbes Hospital in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. These are originally Westinghouse, but modernized by Schindler with Adams/EPCO. Singapore down button, but a survivor up button. Down in the ground. Survivor in the inside. Here we go down. Guess the down button's replaced somewhere. Smells like hydraulic oil in here. Guess these were modded slightly later than the Otis is here, I guess. Here, but the ground. Schindler HXpress. 3. Got an annoying chime and a Schindler chime. Here you go. I tried getting into building 2 here, but building 2 is locked, unfortunately. Tier 3, bouncy. Fan or something, period tape on. Basic snap cabs, these are kind of tall. It even says snap cab up there. And one's obviously the parking lot. A bit more. That's an old emergency light.